Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we will discuss that is magnetic dipole and magnetic dipole moment. Then we will discuss magnetic field lines and its properties. ठीक है? Okay, so let us start this section that is magnetic dipole and dipole moment. तो magnetic dipole रू हमरो short question आसे even छोट छोट न्यूमेरिकल भी आसे ठीक है तो भल से बुझियो तो what is a magnetic dipole आमे इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल पढ़िछु इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल पढ़िछु तो what is an electric dipole two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called a electric dipole again two equal and opposite charges let us say q and minus q if they are separated by a small distance then we will say this is a electric dipole two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called a electric dipole तो just similar to that यदि हम गोटे मैग्नेट को कंसीडर करिबा a magnet always exists in pair that is a north pole and a south pole having equal magnitude again यदि हम गोटे मैग्नेट को कंसीडर करिबा they always exist in pair that is a north pole and a south pole so let us consider a bar magnet when you consider a bar magnet it is having two poles that is north and south and let the pole strength is m but they are opposite in nature this is north pole and this is south pole same magnitude but they are different this is north pole and this is south pole and these two poles are separated by a distance so we can say this is a dipole or magnetic dipole again I just want to say you कि जितना हम magnet को consider करिबा the magnet always exists in pair that is a north pole and a south pole separated by a distance so we can say a magnet always exists in dipole or magnetic dipole ठीक है तो यदि let us consider a bar magnet यदि consider करिबा it is having two poles north pole and south pole let the pole strength is m so these two opposite poles having same magnitude and they are separated by a small distance so we can say it is a magnetic dipole just like electric two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance it is two equal and opposite poles separated by a small distance is called a magnetic dipole ठीक है definition देखिए an arrangement of two equal and opposite magnetic poles that is north pole and south pole separated by a small distance is called a magnetic dipole ठीक है next I will बुझियो magnetic dipole moment so let us consider a bar magnet having two poles north pole and south pole having pole strength m remember this pole strength is a scalar quantity it is scalar quantity and taro dimension unit कहथिली that is ampere meter its unit is ampere meter এটা ডিসকাস করিবা केमती आसिला पर ठीक अछि तो रिमेंबर दैट दिस पोल स्ट्रेंथ इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी ठीक अछि तो a magnet bar magnet having two poles, north pole and south pole, having pole strength that is m, and the two poles are separated by a small distance that is 2l, that is 2l. Remember, this distance or the displacement is a vector quantity. The distance between the two poles, that is 2l, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity whose direction is from south pole to north pole. So it is from south pole to north pole. The direction of this magnetic length is always from south pole to north pole in this direction. So then the magnetic dipole moment, that is m vector, यदि हम गोटे मैग्नेट नवा having pole strength m separated by a small distance 2l, then the magnetic moment of the dipole is defined as the product of pole strength into magnetic length. Again, यदि हम गोटे मैग्नेट नवा having pole strength m, two equal and opposite poles, that is north pole and south pole, having same magnitude, that is m, separated by a small distance, that is 2l, then the dipole moment or magnetic dipole moment m vector is defined as the product of pole strength of the magnet into the separation between them, that is 2l. ठीक है, तो remember this dipole moment is a vector quantity. This dipole moment m vector is a vector quantity whose direction is from south pole to north pole. It is a vector quantity whose direction is from south pole to north pole. देखो आउट छोटो जिनस यदि आमे m vector नबा तो एटा गोटे स्केलर क्वांटिटी, दिस इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, तो यार डायरेक्शन is same as the direction of magnetic length. यार डायरेक्शन जोटा रहिबो magnetic length रो डायरेक्शन जोटा रहिबो magnetic dipole moment रो डायरेक्शन मते सेम रहयो. तो the direction is from south pole to north pole. ठीक है. Again, this SI unit of dipole moment or magnetic dipole moment is ampere meter square or joule per Tesla or joule Tesla inverse. एटा पर डिफाइन करियो. तो एठी हमें दिस इज मैग्नेटिक पोल और यूनिट थिला एम्पियर मीटर, तो दिस इज एम्पियर मीटर, दिस इज मीटर, तो एम्पियर मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो यूनिट ऑफ magnetic dipole moment is ampere meter square or joule per Tesla. The dimension is m0 l2 t0 a1, तो ampere meter square. ठीक है. Okay, so next we will do some numerical based on magnetic dipole moment. Again, I just want to say magnetic dipole moment is the product of pole strength into magnetic length. It is a vector quantity whose direction is same as that of magnetic length, that is from south pole to north pole, and the unit is ampere meter square or joule per Tesla, and the dimension is m0 l2 t0 a1. The first question is a magnetic dipole of length 10 cm a magnetic dipole of length 10 cm has pole strength of 20 ampere meter. Find the magnetic moment of the dipole. Again, a magnetic dipole of length 10 cm has a pole strength of 20 ampere meter. Find the magnetic moment of the dipole. ठीक है, तो ठीक है बुझिबा. तो let us consider a magnet, bar magnet. This is north pole, this is your south pole. Let the pole strength is M. The two poles are separated by a distance that is 2L. They are separated by a distance that is 2L. So separation between the separation between the two poles is 2L, or that magnetic length is 2L, or we can say separation between the two pole is 2L and the magnetic pole strength is M. So as per this question, a magnetic dipole of length 10 cm, magnetic dipole of length 10 cm means magnetic length is 10 cm. So I can say this is 2L is 10 cm. 2L is 10 cm. So that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And pole strength कहते दीजिए, that is 20 ampere meter. ठीक है. तो magnetic moment, so that is M is equal to M into 2L. ठीक है. Either you can write in vector form or the scalar form. Either you can write in vector form or general calculate करियो. यदि vector form लिखियो एमती लिख परियो, तो this is 20 into, that is 10 to the power minus 1. So that is how much? That is 2 ampere meter square. So M, we can say this is 2 ampere meter square from south pole to north pole. From south pole to north pole. ठीक है. खाली magnitude बाहर करें, you can use this M is equal to M into 2L. By this formula you can find the magnitude of this magnetic dipole moment. ठीक है. Second question. A bar magnet has a magnetic moment of 5 ampere meter square. Has poles 20 cm apart. Calculate the pole strength. Again, a bar magnet has a magnetic moment of 5 ampere meter square. तो magnetic moment कहते दीजिए 5 ampere meter square. Has poles 20 cm apart. Poles 20 cm apart means this is 20 cm. That is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. 20 cm apart means magnetic length. Calculate the pole strength. So we know that to find M here, small m, we know that magnetic dipole moment is equal to M into 2L, or that is M is equal to M by 2L. M is how much? That is 5. By this is, that is 0.2. ठीक है. So it is 5 into 10 divided by 2. So this is 25 ampere meter. ठीक है. The pole strength is 25 ampere meter. ठीक है. Next question. The next question is, a steel wire of length L has a magnetic moment M. It is bent into a semicircular arc. What is the new magnetic moment? Again, a steel wire of length L. Could steel wire hoche, length is L, or the magnetic length is L, has a magnetic moment M. So magnetic moment M. So let us say the pole strength is M. So this is M into L. ठीक है. एठी से magnetic length टाकू L नीच. ठीक है. It is bent into a semicircular arc तो एटा बेंड करागला सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क। ठीक है। देन व्हाट इज द मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट, न्यू मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट। तो जितोड़ा एटा बेंड करागला the whole length is converted into an arc. The whole length is converted into an arc. So I can say that is, this is L, total length L is converted into a semicircular arc. So L is equal to pi r. The whole length is converted into a semicircular arc. तो L इज इक्वल टू केते हबो सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क रो लेंथ। तो R केते हबो दैट इज L बाय पाई। ठीक है। तो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द न्यू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ दिस सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क। तो लेट अस इट इज m dash। तो m dash इज इक्वल पोल स्ट्रेंथ इज m। ठीक है। एंड distance between the two poles केते हबो एटी, this is 2r। ओके ना। तो into that is 2r diameter। ठीक है। तो that is m into, sorry, this is 2r। तो m into 2r, r is equal to how much, L by pi, that is 2L by pi। ठीक है। तो this is 2ml divided by pi। एटी इनिशियल मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट कौन थिला, that is m, कैपिटल M, that is small m into L। तो m into L कौन होइछो, that is initial or the magnetic moment of the steel wire। ठीक है। तो एटी सब्स्टिट्यूट करियो, that is 2 m into L is equal to how much, your initial magnetic moment, that is 2m by pi। ठीक है। तो न्यू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इज इक्वल 2m by pi। दिस इज इंपोर्टेंट। आउथरे बुझियो, गोटे स्टील वायर थिला, लेंथ L थिला, तो एंड मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट m थिला। तो हमें लेट अस कंसीडर द पोल स्ट्रेंथ इज m। तो इनिशियल मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट एज पर द क्वेश्चन इज m इज इक्वल टू कौन, स्मॉल m हमें नीचे इनटू L इज द लेंथ of the wire, or that is magnetic length। ठीक है। तो the wire is converted into a semicircular wire। तो pole this side रहो, and distance between the two pole is magnetic length। तो एक केस रे कौन होगा, diameter, that is 2r। again the whole length is converted into this semicircular arc। तो whole length इनिशियल जहाँ थिला फाइनल सेम थियो। तो इनिशियल थिला लेंथ L, सेटा को सेमी सर्कुलर वायर कले, तार लेंथ कौन होबो, पाई r। तो इनिशियल लेंथ इज इक्वल टू फाइनल लेंथ, तो L इज इक्वल टू पाई r। तो r केते है L by pi। तो रेडियस ऑफ द सेमी सर्कुलर वायर बिकम्स L by pi। एबे न्यू मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट m dash इज इक्वल टू पोल स्ट्रेंथ इनटू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू पोल, दैट इज 2r। R is equal to how much, L by pi। तो it has 2mL by pi। तो m into L is the initial magnetic moment of the wire which is given, this m is given। तो हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिले 2m by, तो m into L जगह कौन सब्स्टिट्यूट कर ले, m, तो it becomes 2m by pi। तो the final magnetic moment is equal to 2m by, okay, next is magnetic field। before moving to that, I am going to छोटा part leave करिचे, we should complete it। that is ideal dipole, ideal magnetic dipole। तो what is an ideal magnetic dipole? আমি জানছি this dipole moment is m into 2L। dipole moment is that is pole strength into length. If the pole strength of the dipole tends to infinite and the magnetic length tends to 0, in that case it is called an ideal dipole. Okay, if the pole strength tends to infinite and the magnetic length 2L tends to 0, in that case we say that dipole is ideal dipole. So an ideal dipole is a dipole whose mag whose pole strength tends to infinite and magnetic length tends to 0, or that is m tends to infinite and 2L tends to 0. ठीक है. Next we will move to that is magnetic field. So what is a magnetic field? हमने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पढ़ी छे. हमने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पढ़ी छे. So what is an electric field? So let us say a charge is there. Let us say it is positive. The charge will produce electric field lines. Again, so let us consider a charge Q. Let us say positive. It is placed in a medium. So it will produce electric field lines. So it will produce electric field lines. These electric field lines will travel through the medium. These electric field lines will travel through the medium. जो पर्यंत से electric field lines will travel, that region is called, that is electric field. That region is called electric field. पढ़ते लेटा. Plus by field lines are outward, minus by field lines are inward. So let us place a magnet or a magnetic pole. Either it is north pole or south pole. Isolated pole. ठीक है. Let us say it is an isolated north pole. यदि रखिबा having pole strength m, so it will also produce magnetic field lines. It will produce magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines will travel through the medium. These magnetic field lines will travel through the medium. And जो पर्यंत सेमाने जिबे, that region is called, that is magnetic field. Magnetic field of the pole. बुझलो. Again, यदि हम गोटे isolated pole नोबा, let us say it is isolated north pole, so it will produce magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines will travel through the medium. Will travel through the medium. जो पर्यंत से माने जिबे, that region is called magnetic field of the pole. यदि north pole है तो the field lines are outward. यदि south pole हो, that is field lines are inward. Just like electric field. यदि दीटा को pole नोबा, तो the magnetic field lines will start from the north pole and in the south pole. Outside of the magnet. Magnet to बाहर है. Outside of the magnet, the field lines produced by the magnet is from north pole to south pole. This region is called magnetic field. Magnetic field of the magnet. एटी दीटा पोल अछि, that's why magnetic field of the magnet. एटी गोटे पोल अछि, that is magnetic field of the pole. North pole ପାଇଁ, that is north pole produce field lines, that is that field lines are outward. ठीक अछि. Okay, तो ए region ने यदि आउ गोटे पोल रखिबा, यदि north pole रखिबा, that is, तो कौन हबो, तो they will repel. North repel. यदि south pole रखिबा, it will attract. So that means inside this region जदि आउ गोटे पोल रखिबा, the other pole will experience a force that is either attractive or repulsive. ठीक है, तो सेटा ही लिखा है डेफिनेशन. तो magnetic field of any magnetic pole is the region around it. It is the region around it in which its magnetic influence can be realized. In which its magnetic influence can be realized. Magnetic influence means it will it will it will it will push or pull. It will, यदि north pole थियो it will pull that one, यदि south pole थियो it will attract. ए केस रे ठीक है. तो that means यदि हमें आउ गोटे पोल रखिबा तो it will experience a force that is called magnetic influence. तो आउथरे पढ़िबा, magnetic field of any magnetic pole is the region around it in which its magnetic influence can be realized. So a magnetic pole will produce magnetic field around itself. In that field यदि हमें आउ गोटे this is pole रखिबा तो it will experience a force that is either attractive or repulsive. So we can say a magnetic field is a region around the pole where its effect could be felt. ठीक है. Next is magnetic field lines. ठीक है. तो आमे जस्ट डिस्कस करिथिले जदि गोटे पोल स्ट्रेंथ और नॉर्थ पोल, आइसोलेटेड नॉर्थ पोल आमे जदि गोटे मीडियम रे रखिबा तो it will produce magnetic field lines. It will produce magnetic field lines. Remember, these magnetic field lines are electromagnetic waves. These are electromagnetic waves. And I'm going to discuss these magnetic field lines will travel through the medium. जो पर्यंत से माने जीवे, that is called field. That is called the field or magnetic field of this pole. North pole pi that is outward, south pole pi it is inward. ठीक है. तो when we take a pole, हमने field lines को केमती draw कले. तो what you have done? So when you taken a, suppose let us say you have taken a pole, let us say north pole, ठीक है. And see पाखरे कौन करिबा, आउ गोटे north pole this is रखिबा, so they will repel. So it will move in this manner. यदि एठी रखिबा तो it will move in this manner. यदि एठी रखिबा it will move in this manner. और एठी रखिले it will move like this. So that means by the path of this pole, we say this is the path of the field. This is the path of the magnetic field lines. Again, जो path रे a isolated north pole रे travel करूची, we say it is the path of this magnetic field lines or the path followed by the magnetic field lines. तो हम किमती draw करिया, यदि it will be like this. Isolated north pole पे कौन होगा? The fields are outward. Same thing यदि south pole रखता था, they move towards the pole. Just reverse direction ही था. तो same thing यदि हमें गोटे magnet नवा, यदि ये गोटे isolated north pole रखिबा, तो से किमती move करियो हमें through experiment. तो it will move in this manner. North को repel करो, south को attract करो. तो it will move in this manner. The path followed by the north pole is the path of the magnetic field lines. ठीक अछि जोटा कि हम करिछु एठी यदि साउथ पोल रखि थांते कोन होई थांता तो कोन होई थांता दिस इज यदि साउथ पोल एठी रखि थांते एमती आस थांता ओके तो वी कैन से again I am revising so magnetic field lines are the electromagnetic waves produced by a pole produced by a magnetic pole. So magnetic field lines are electromagnetic waves which are produced by the magnetic pole. They travel through the medium. The path followed by the magnetic field lines is the path followed by a unit north pole if it is free to do so. जदि गोटे unit north pole को freely leave करिवा जो path रे से move करूची that is the path followed by a magnetic field lines. Again, a magnetic lines of force may be defined as the path along which a unit north pole would tend to move if it is free to do so. Again, a magnetic lines of force may be defined as the path along which a unit north pole would tend to move if free to do so. जदि गोटे unit north pole रखिबा जो direction से move करूची that is the path of the magnetic field lines. ठीक है. Next we will discuss properties of magnetic field lines. Properties of lines of force. Properties ru amaro short question ase 1 mark or 2 mark. ठीक है. Okay, the first property is when you consider a magnet, the magnetic field lines they always starts from the north pole ends in the south pole, and inside the magnetic field lines will travel from the south pole towards the north pole. Again, bahare the magnetic field lines will start from the north pole ends in the south pole, and inside the magnetic field lines will travel from the south pole towards the north pole. That means they are forming a closed curve. गोटे closed curve गोटे form करूछंती. ठीक अछि ठीकटा लिखा है तो magnetic lines of force are closed curves. They starts from north ends in south, again inside south to north. That is a closed curve which starts in air from north pole and ends at south pole. Air medium रे from north pole to south pole, and then return to the north pole through the interior of the magnet. So inside the magnet they will move from south pole to north pole. Air medium it is north to south, and inside the magnet it is south to north. That is a closed curve. Again, one thing, the magnetic field lines they always starts from the north pole ends in the south pole in air medium or outside the magnet. So they do have only one direction, that is from north pole to south pole outside of the magnet. ठीक है. तो second is magnetic lines of force never cross each other. सेमाने केवे cross करंती नाही. जो magnetic field lines कराइची they never cross each other or they never intersect with each other, because यदि intersect करूछंती at the point of intersection तो गोटे tangent यदि draw करिया at this point for this first lines of force तो tangent direction एपटे हबो. A lines of force पाई tangent direction एपटे हबो. So that means at the point of intersection it is the lines of force is having two direction, this and this, which is not possible because हमें जानिए magnetic lines of force have only one direction, that is from north pole to south pole outside the magnet. So the lines of force never intersect with each other, because जदि ସେମାନେ intersect करूछंती at the point of intersection हम जदि टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करवा first line of force and second line of force को we will get two direction of lines of force, which is not possible because हमें जानी चाहिए magnetic lines of force has only one direction, that is from north to south. Magnetic lines of force never cross each other. If they do so, that would mean that there would be two direction of the magnetic field at the point of intersection, which is not possible. Again, magnetic lines of force never cross each other. If they do so, जदि ସେମାନେ cross करूଛନ୍ତି, that would mean there would be two direction of the magnetic field at the point of intersection. Point of intersection है दीटा field lines होगा, which is not possible because we know that magnetic field lines have only one direction, that is from north pole to south pole. Next property. So when we consider a magnet, we know that the magnetic field lines, they start from the north pole and ends in the south pole. They start from the north pole, ends in the south pole, outside of the magnet. So these field lines, when they come out of the surface of the magnet, these field lines are perpendicular to the surface of the magnet. So angle कितना होगा 90 degree. Similarly, when they move inside the magnet through the south pole, the field lines are also perpendicular to the surface. So that means we can say whenever these field lines, they come out of the north pole and move inside the magnet through the south pole, these field lines are perpendicular to the surface of the magnet, or they are perpendicular. ठीक है, सीधा लिखा है. The magnetic field lines, they start from and end. Start भी होचुंदी and end भी होचुंदी normally on the surface of the magnet. Again, when they come out or when they enter the magnet, these magnetic field lines are perpendicular to the surface. These magnetic field lines are perpendicular to the surface of the magnet. ठीक है. Next, so let us consider two magnets placed close to each other. Two magnets placed close to each other. तो दीटा condition है पहले, unlike poles placed near to each other, like poles placed near to each other. तो यदि हम single magnet नवा like this, the magnetic field lines, they start from the north pole, ends in the south pole. जेतोल दीटा magnet रखिवा, if the two poles are unlike, the field lines start from the north pole, ends in the south pole. एठी single जाउतले गोटे magnet रे the field lines are coming from the north pole, ends in the south pole of the same magnet. किंतु एठी कोन होला, when we take two magnets and the unlike poles are close to each other, in that case the field line starts from the north pole, end in the south pole. The field lines, again I am saying, the field lines start from the north pole, ends in the south pole. तो जितने close नबा, the field line contract. छोटो हो जाए. जितने पाखु नबा कौन है जो, they contract. Or this contraction is called attraction of the two unlike poles. Or you can say, due to this contraction, the two magnets attract each other. Due to the contraction of field lines, the two magnets attract each other, or unlike pole attract each other. Similarly, यदि हमें दीटा like pole रखिबा, तो initially the field lines are like this. This is undivided. किंतु यदि हमें like pole पाखर रखिया these field lines they deviate like this, they expand sideways, expand करी जेते पाखु न बासे कोन आउरी कोन होई जे बेंडी केमती जे. तो this represents the repulsion between the two like poles. This field lines, when the two field lines or when the two like poles are placed near to each other, the field lines they expand sideways. से माने कौन होता ठीक है बेंड है किमती जो, और that is sideways expansion. ठीक है. तो this represents the repulsion between the two like poles. ठीक है. The lines of force have a tendency to contract lengthwise, and this represents attraction, and expand sideways, this represents repulsion between the like poles. ठीक है. आउथरे पढ़दा, the lines of force has a tendency to contract lengthwise and expand sidewise. This explains attraction between unlike poles and repulsion between like poles. Contract lengthwise represent attraction between unlike poles. Expand sidewise represents repulsion between like poles. ठीक है. Okay, next we will move to the next property. तो if you take two magnets having different pole strength, हमें देखिए कि the magnet having higher pole strength will have more number of field lines, and the magnet having lower pole strength will have less number of field lines. So that means हमें यदि if you see more number of field lines from a magnet, so we can say it will have higher pole strength. That is, magnetic field lines is proportional to the pole strength of the magnet. More is the pole strength, more number of field lines will come out of the magnet. बुझलो. आ गोटे कथा जदि सपोज आमे दीटा सेम एरिया नबा एंड आमे देखिबा कि यदि less number of field lines are drawn, तो it represents low magnetic field strength or less magnetic field strength or low magnetic field strength. यदि more number of field lines देखिबा, तो we can say the magnetic field is strong. तो more number of field lines represents stronger magnetic field region, less number of field lines represent weaker magnetic strength region. And second thing, यदि stronger magnetic field region are represented by more number of field lines, and these field lines are very close to each other. तो हमें जो देखिबा more number of field lines and or we can say यदि the two field lines are very close to each other. If you see two field lines which are very close to each other, so it represents stronger magnetic field. The relative closeness of the lines of force, gives the measure of strength of magnetic field. तो यदि अधिका magnetic field थिबो and they are very close to each other, so we say the magnetic field strength in this region is very strong. So that means more number of field lines represents stronger magnetic field, or the field lines, if they are very close to each other, it represents stronger magnetic field. और ठीक है. एंड आ गोटे कथा, तो जेतोला हमें गोटे मैग्नेट को देखिबा, more number of field lines is present near the poles, so we can say the magnetic field is stronger at this region near the poles. ठीक है. The relative closeness of lines of force gives the measure of strength of magnetic field. More number of field line, more is the strength, and if they are very close to each other, so we say the strength is more. And which is maximum at the pole? So that means the magnetic field strength is maximum at the poles. Why? Because here more number of field lines are there. ठीक है.